Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change app theme on Kraken account. So first we're going to open our Kraken app. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then I'm going to click on preferences. Then next we're going to click on theme. It's currently on auto, but you guys can change it to light theme if you want or dark theme if you want. So when you do it to light theme, this is how it looks like. The whole app layout will change. It's going to be more lighter and brighter. So depending on you guys' preference, you guys can change it up. I personally like the dark theme, so I went for it. But this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.